Okay, here we will discuss something about the ecosystem in simple way. Ecosystem, in ecosystem what is important? Sun is important. So sun actually supporting all the galaxy including this earth. So we are surviving because of sun. So some biotic, abiotic components are also there. Biotic, humans, animals, plants. In abiotic, like temperature, then like lithosphere, then all the rocks, minerals, everything is part of our life. So this abiotic and biotic things are also important. Let's see ecosystem, abiotic, biotic factors. In abiotic, as I have mentioned that in abiotic everything comes which is not living, non-living part. River means water, air, sun, soil, everything will come under abiotic factor. Then biotic factors, producers, nothing but the plants. Consumers, in that consumers we have primary consumers, nothing but the herbivores. Then secondary consumers, nothing but the primary, or which we can also call as primary carnivores or secondary. Then tertiary is nothing but secondary carnivore. They are depending upon the secondary carnivore. Then nothing but, and finally it's nothing but the important that decomposers. Decomposers is also one of the important component of the environment or ecosystem which supports this whole system. Let's move ahead. Now, then human environment. If you see, finally I would like to tell you one more thing is that the way we are exploiting this environment. I don't know how many of you have heard about the gender inequality. The way man is superior, like women is inferior. Like I mean to say, this gender disparity or gender gap is there. Definitely, this modern world is trying to establish the gender equality. Same way, if you see, one more topic is there that is nothing but the see. What is this? Ecofeminism. What does it mean, ecofeminism? This is nothing but the greenery. This is nothing but the technology. What difference you found? The difference is nothing but the greenery. Here, if you see, the structure of this greenery seems like a female, and if you see the structure of this machinery or the development, it seems like a male. What does it mean? Technology is actually seems to be superior nowadays on the greenery. So the way we are exploiting nature, it's like a female or the male dominant society is there in the world. Same way, this technological dominance is actually playing important role. I want to say important role for the people who are actually greedy. They are looking for the development, but they are not looking for the equality. I want to say this nature and technology both are same, but that the technology should not overcome or tolerate this greenery, because of this greenery everything is possible. I don't think so. The machinery will produce plant, but plants will produce or supply the raw material which is required for the machinery. So here we should change our mindset, and this thing should not happen. Try to replace these things and establish equality in terms of nature. This is nothing but the environment, and the environment is nothing but we all are the part of environment. We have to support the environment, not in the textbook. You can write number of answers in environment, you can write number of answers in geography, but what about the reality? So ethically we have to write answers and we have to support the environment. Thank you so much. We will meet in next class. Take care. Bye.